Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my DEWALT 20V Max Planner. If you have any woodworking projects that require shaving off the surface of the wood, such as building decks, or if you need to reduce the thickness of the wood for specific purposes, then a planner could be something that you need. Like all DEWALT tools, this planner is heavy duty, and it is also able to make up to 30,000 cuts per minute and up to 2 millimeters of cut depth. The Dewalt Brushless technology, combined with its battery operation, gives it power as well as the convenience of not having to drag or trip over cords while working on your projects. I especially love that it is compatible with my other DEWALT 20V batteries, so I don't have to go out and buy separate batteries just for this. Which, by the way, I always recommend keeping extra batteries on hand with any of your tools to make sure that any of your work will not get interrupted by having to keep charging your batteries. Overall, this DEWALT planner has definitely been extremely helpful for our projects. So if you're looking for a high-quality cordless planner from a reputable brand, you will want to check this out.